What is up, my basic birches? Today I'm showing you some ornaments you can make with the scroll saw. I'll leave links in the description where I got these patterns. You can also Google 3D scroll saw ornaments and you'll find plenty. They're pretty easy and fun to make, so let's get started. First step is to print out the pattern, cut it out, then stick it to the wood. I'm using a glue stick, but you can use a spray adhesive or packing tape or whatever you'd like. I'm going to make a few different ornaments of different sizes using wood blanks roughly 1 to 1.5 inches thick. Once the pattern is on, we drill out the pilot holes. Then off to the scroll saw. Cut the inside first, then the outside. Once you're done with the outside, tape it back together to prevent the inner piece from moving, rotate 90 degrees, and cut out the other side. Once that's done, remove those extra pieces just like unwrapping a present, and you'll be left with your ornament. You might need to do a little sanding to knock off the fuzzies and sharp edges. This one is maple and it turned out pretty nice. This next one is purple heart and it did not have the holiday spirit. It fought me harder than a Black Friday sale and I got a lot of burning that needed to be sanded and cleaned up. 0 out of 10, do not recommend. This one is black limba. It's much softer and it cut very nicely and it turned out great. I kind of messed up around the hook on top, so I'm just going to remove it and then add a small metal hook. Then apply your favorite finish. I'm just using a spray lacquer. Then add some string and it's ready to go on your tree. Now you have some beautiful ornaments for your tree or to gift to your loved ones. They'll think of you every time they see it, whether they want to or not. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and always remember, don't be basic.